Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Strong Signals. Today, I have an exciting topic for you all. Have you ever wondered how to lose body weight effectively in just 30 days? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to give you a comprehensive plan that will help you achieve your goals. So, let's get started. First and foremost, it's important to remember that losing weight is both a physical and a mental journey. It requires discipline, dedication, and consistency. With that in mind, let's dive into the three key areas we'll focus on: nutrition, exercise, and mindset. Nutrition plays a crucial role in losing body weight. For the next 30 days, we'll focus on clean and balanced eating. Start by eliminating processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt from your diet. Instead, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Ensure you are staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. To make this journey easier, meal prepping is a fantastic way to stay on track. Set aside some time each week to plan and prepare your meals in advance. This not only saves you time but also removes the temptation of ordering unhealthy takeout when you are feeling tired. Remember, your choices in the kitchen play a significant role in your weight loss journey. Equally important is incorporating regular exercise into your routine. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular workouts, such as running, cycling, or swimming, to burn calories. And don't forget strength training exercises to tone your muscles, improve your metabolism, and increase lean body mass. Consistency is key when it comes to exercising. Set a realistic workout schedule that you can stick to for the next 30 days. The more you move, the more progress you'll make. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Losing weight requires a positive mindset and self-belief. Surround yourself with motivation, whether it's inspirational quotes, supportive friends, or joining online communities that share similar goals. Visualize your success and maintain a growth mindset. This will help you stay focused and overcome any obstacles you may encounter along the way. Now that we have covered the three key areas of nutrition, exercise, and mindset, let's recap what we've learned so far. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet. Make exercise a priority, and cultivate a positive mindset. Losing weight in 30 days is an achievable goal, but it requires your commitment and hard work. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video has inspired you and provided valuable insights on how to lose body weight in 30 days. Remember, the journey might not always be easy, but with determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring content. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in my next video.